All right, guys. So let me say this, man. Now I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say I'm a big fan of Toyota product or whatever because I have a vested interest in uh the Dodge Chrysler Jeep product. Okay, yes, guys. My livelihood is pretty much solely dependent on the sale of FCA products. Okay, so I cannot, in good conscience or with good conscience, the hell, sit ahead and advise you guys to go buy such a car like this. However, however, I will say this, guys. This car purrs like a kitten, feels like a kitten. Everything's like a kitten. I mean, I'm trying not to sound too over dramatic. Well, I mean, I know what I'm trying to say, man. I don't want to mislead the public. Guys, I am a Chrysler Jeep Dodge guy, okay? It's as simple as that. I mean, I'm talking just... All right, now, based off the comments that I received, yeah, I took a peek at a lot of those comments on this car on my way down. And they still coming in as far as people saying nothing but good things about this car, man. Not this car, but the brand, Toyota, the brand itself. All right, now, man, guys, oh my goodness, I don't know what else to say, man. All right, yes, we gotta have some type of parking, the parking thing. I mean, even the entertainment system, okay, top notch, guys. Yes, I went through a little hurdle to get the Bluetooth and all that set up, but other than that, I mean, the audio's, oh my goodness. But guys, hear me out. I am a Chrysler Jeep Dodge guy. All right, now also keep in mind, guys, this is a 2021, I want to say, anything new. So let me put it this way. A 2021 Chrysler product, a 2021 GM product, anything 2021-ish would be the latest and greatest of that product, right? So now FCA is out of the four-door sedan business, right? So we don't even have a four-door sedan car. Now we have little mini Jeeps and things like that, but as far as, I have nothing to really compare this to from an FCA standpoint. All right, now I'm on the parking lot. I'm in Florida, the parking lot. I see a whole lot of new four-door sedan cars. Why do some car makers jump out of that line? I do not know. It ain't for me to know. I will say this. A lot of it is sales dependence, okay? If the sales not dictating the need for four-door sedans, then goodbye Chrysler 200. Goodbye Dodge Dart. Goodbye all of the four-door sedans that were once out. All right, now we have big full-size four-door sedans like the Charger, I want to say. Yes. Now I'm gonna take a break. When I get back, I want to read some of these comments out loud because I'm telling you, man, you guys are, I mean, I had one guy's like, he's a Toyota Pro. This is a direct injection engine. He was getting on the technical side. I gotta go read that again, but I have nothing bad to say about this car. Okay, again, it's hard to anything brand new gonna feel good. Okay, so now from a dependency, or not dependent, from a quality standpoint, how do you rate? Like, it would be unfair of me to give this a A and just say another brand 2021 model not an A because I haven't driven another brand. All I'm saying is, guys, this is a nice car. This is a nice car. Let me stop right there before I say something crazy. All right, this is nice. I mean, I'm a grown man, so if I had to own one, it wouldn't be this. It would be, the brand, but a bigger car. Okay, so if I wasn't in my line of work and I had a vested interest in the sale of FCA product, sure, I would probably get a Toyota grown man size car. All right, but gosh, this car, this brand, I keep saying car. I'm thinking the whole Toyota brand is, I don't know. All right, let me take a break real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back. We just left the beach, right? So it's gonna be a lot of sand. I'm sure the rental car company will understand. All right, yeah, I gotta. And guys, I do have my tools. Yes, never leave home without my tools. Yes, I pack up some tools in a minute. But guys, I want to talk to you guys about a feature that I'm not familiar with. Okay, now I was driving this car out of town. You know, the typical 50, 60, 70, 80 miles, 80 mile per hour. You get ready to change gears, the car will act funny. I gotta read up on some more on that. Now, I'm sure it's a name to it. Oh, this is my jump box. I gotta do a review on. I will see, guys. I ain't been hearing nothing but things about this jump box, but I'm gonna find out for myself and let you guys know. I packed this up. They sent me a jump box to talk about it and get a review on it. We'll see, but it's a feature on the newer cars. Now, see what I'm saying? I'm not familiar with this, so I'm gonna read up on it. I don't want to talk about it if I don't know what I'm talking about. But you get ready to change gears, guys, or change lanes. I'm sorry, and the whole car will like veer over and act funny. Now, if anybody know what I'm talking about, say a little bit something about it in the comment. In the meantime, I'm gonna go read up on it, and I'm pretty much wondering why we don't have such technology. I don't know, but we'll see, guys. Right. So absolutely nothing bad to say about this Toyota Camry. I want to say it is nice little bitty four-door sedan car. See, seem like all the import. Oh my goodness, what is that? That's a Volvo there. But guys, let me go back in. Hotel Effie. Ooh, you talking about expensive? But I ain't gonna even. Don't even take me there, guys. But yeah, I needed this getaway, and put it that way. Somebody else told me I needed this getaway, so I'm forced to go on a getaway. Well, anyway, I'm about to go upstairs, and we got a couple more events to do, and we getting the hell out of Dodge. Back to the A we go in the morning, early in the morning. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn this rental car back in. At least by 2, because I rented it at 2. It took me about 5 hours to get here, guys. Oh, you're talking about a smooth ride. It was lovely. But now, you know, pretty much all hotels will have their own little restaurant. Oh, you're talking about some expensive food in there. Was it good food? It's hard to say. Okay. Expensive food's supposed to be real good food, but you know, I don't know if you're paying for the quality. I don't know what you're paying for, but I just don't get out enough to have an honest opinion on you know, and I'm a cheap guy, so it's hard for me to praise anything of such. All right. Ooh, five. Thank you. Oh, we got it. So I'm gonna call it. That's a wrap, guys. I'll catch you guys back when I get back to the A. Don't forget, guys. I think Dr. Art come on at 5:30, and I think Tim come on at 8:15. The day's Sunday, right? Yeah. I lost track of days. The day is Sunday, guys. So y'all tune in to those cats. I will not be going live today, but and I'm not sure when Caper. I don't know if Caper has a schedule, but my cats, man. Y'all check them out, man. All right, guys, I'm at the room. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching.